Welcome back to Muscle Hustle, where we lift, laugh, and learn. Today, we're diving deep into something that might surprise some of you lifters out there. Yoga. That's right, whether you're trying to increase flexibility, improve mental clarity, or even boost strength, yoga might just be your secret weapon. So roll out that mat, and let's explore what yoga is really all about. So what is yoga and what is its origins and history? Yoga isn't just a workout trend, it's a practice that's thousands of years old. It originated in ancient India, over 5,000 years ago. The word, yoga, comes from the Sanskrit root, yuj, which means, to yoke, or, to unite. Originally, yoga was more about spiritual development than fitness. The goal was to unite the mind, body, and spirit. There are several paths of yoga. Bhakti yoga, the path of devotion. Jnana yoga, the path of knowledge. Karma yoga, the path of action. Raja yoga, the path of meditation and control. What we usually see in gyms and studios today is based on Hatha yoga, a physical practice that includes postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, and meditation. The benefits of yoga are both physical and mental. Alright muscle hustlers, next let's talk about why yoga is actually a total power move, especially for us gym rats. Number 1. Flexibility. It improves range of motion, reducing your risk of injury. Number 2. Strength. Holding poses like plank or warrior builds serious muscle control. Number 3. Balance. Crucial for lifting, especially for unilateral work. Number 4. Breath control. Boosts performance during lifts and helps regulate your nervous system. Number 5. Recovery. Reduces soreness and speeds up muscle repair. Number 6. Mental clarity. Reduces stress, boosts focus, and that means better workouts and better life. And just wait until you hear number 7 because this is a game changer. A study from Harvard even showed that yoga can help lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and improve overall quality of life. Now that's what I call gains for the brain. And maybe a mic drop. Here are some basic yoga moves for beginners. Get on your feet now, it's time to move. Here are 5 basic yoga poses anyone can do. No pretzel flexibility required. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall, feet together, arms at sides. Engage your thighs, lift your chest, and breathe deep. Great for posture awareness and grounding. 2. Downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Press your hips back and up, forming an inverted V. Stretches hamstrings, calves, shoulders. 3. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Front knee bent 90 degrees, back leg straight. Arms extended, look forward over your hand. Build strength in legs and shoulders. 4. Cat-cow, Marjaryasana Bidhalasana, on all fours, alternate arching and rounding your back. Inhale as you look up, exhale as you round. Mobilizes the spine and preps your back for heavy lifts. 5. Child's pose, Balasana, knees wide, forehead to mat, arms forward. Excellent for rest, stretches the spine and hips. Try to hold each move for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Feel the breath, feel the calm. Next up, advanced yoga moves for athletes. Ready to level up your fitness routine? Here are 3 advanced poses that challenge strength, control, and focus. 1. Crow pose, Bakasana. From a squat, place hands down, knees on upper arms. Lean forward, engage your core, and lift your feet off the ground. Builds incredible core and arm strength. 2. Wheel pose, Urdhva Dhanurasana. Lie on your back, bend knees, place hands by your ears. Press into hands and feet, lift your body into a back bend. Opens the chest, shoulders, strengthens glutes and legs. 3. Headstand, Sirsasana. Start with a forearm base. Use core and leg control to lift up. Improves balance, focus, and reverses circulation for recovery. It's important to properly warm up and use a wall if you're new to these exercises. Master the basics first and then you can advance. So how do you incorporate yoga into your fitness routine? Yoga doesn't have to replace your training, it should enhance it. Here's how to integrate yoga into your weekly routine. On rest days, use yoga for active recovery. Post-workout cooldowns. Add 10 to 15 minutes of yoga stretches. Morning routines. Boost your mobility and mindset for the day. Even 2 sessions a week can increase flexibility, reduce soreness, and improve sleep. And sleep equals recovery equals growth. So next time you finish a heavy set or crush leg day, remember, your body deserves balance. Yoga isn't soft, it's smart. And if you're really about the hustle, you know that strength without flexibility is just asking for injury. Here are the different types of yoga to help you decide which one is right for you. Hatha Yoga focuses on physical postures, asanas, and breathing. Great for beginners. Raja Yoga, the royal path, focused on meditation and mental control. Kundalini Yoga aims to awaken spiritual energy through breath, chant, and poses. Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion and love toward God. Karma Yoga, selfless service as a way to liberation. Jnana Yoga, the path of wisdom and intellectual inquiry. Ashtanga and Vinyasa Yoga, more intense, dynamic forms often practiced in the West. Yin Yoga, slow, meditative stretching, targets deep connective tissue. Yoga has gained global popularity. International Day of Yoga was established by the UN in 2015 and is celebrated every year on June 21st. Globally, over 300 million people practice yoga, yes, 300 million people worldwide. There are many modern adaptations. From goat yoga to aerial yoga, new forms continue to evolve while drawing from ancient roots. There is a spiritual purpose of yoga. Number 1. Self-realization. Yoga aims to transcend the ego and connect with a higher power or true self. Number 2. Detachment and peace. Yogic philosophy encourages non-attachment, vairagya, and inner calm, regardless of life's ups and downs. Number 3. Spiritual and ethical dimensions. Yoga encourages non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, sadhya, and contentment, santosha. Number 4. Many yogis adopt a vegetarian lifestyle, inspired by yogic values and compassion. It's not a religion but a spiritual science that can be adapted to any belief system. Here are 3 fun facts about yoga. Number 1. Yoga is over 5,000 years old. It originated in ancient India and was first mentioned in sacred texts called the Vedas. Number 2. There are over 100 styles of yoga. From the slow-paced yin to the sweat-dripping hot yoga, there's a style for everyone. Number 3. Even animals do yoga like stretches. Ever heard of downward dog? It's inspired by how dogs naturally stretch their backs. Here is a short yoga poem to motivate and inspire you. Stretch and breathe, let go, be free, bend like a willow, flow like the sea. Mind gets quiet, heart beats slow, in yoga's peace, your spirit will grow. Things about yoga you didn't know. Yoga isn't just about flexibility. Many people think yoga is only for the super bendy, but it also builds strength, balance, and mental focus. Some poses are more challenging than weightlifting. There are 8 limbs of yoga, and only one involves poses. The physical poses, asanas, are just one part of yoga. The other limbs include ethics, breath control, meditation, and even enlightenment. Om has a deep meaning. Chanting Om isn't just a sound, it symbolizes the vibration of the universe and connects body, mind, and spirit. Goat yoga and laughter yoga are real. Yes, there are yoga classes with goats climbing on you, and others where you laugh your way through the session. Both are meant to boost mood and lower stress. Yoga was once practiced only by men. Today it's dominated by women in the West, but historically, yoga in India was mainly practiced by male spiritual seekers and monks. Corpse pose, savasana, is often the hardest. Lying still seems easy, but true relaxation and mindfulness in savasana challenge even experienced yogis. Yoga can boost brain power. Studies show that regular yoga practice improves memory, concentration, and even emotional regulation. Yoga can be political. In some places, yoga has sparked debates around religion, cultural appropriation, and even school policy in the US. There are many myths about yoga that are false. Here are 3 things that you might not know about yoga. Number 1. You do not have to be flexible to start yoga. Yoga makes you flexible, so you don't need to be flexible already. Number 2. Yoga is not only for calm people. If you're anxious or restless, yoga was made for you. Number 3. Yoga is not only physical. Some of the deepest benefits are mental and emotional, even spiritual. And finally, I will end with a poem called Flow State. Rise with the sun, roll out the mat, leave all your worries, just like that. Breathe in the calm, breathe out the noise, find your stillness, reclaim your poise. Twist, reach, balance, bend, each pose a message your body sends. Warrior strong, yet soft inside, in every stretch, your soul can glide. Heartbeat steady, mind at ease, moving gently with the breeze. From head to toe, let tension go. In yoga's flow, you start to glow. So namaste, come as you are, you're already light, you're already a star. Whichever fitness regimen you choose, moving your body is essential to health and wellness. Your body isn't Wi-Fi, sitting still won't make it stronger. So let's get those muscles hustling right now. Thanks for watching, click that like, comment about your favorite yoga move. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any new information. Watch these videos next and let's continue lifting, laughing and learning on this journey together. Oh, and one more thing. What do you call an angry coach? A cross trainer. Okay, I'm done. See you next time.